Crunchy, chewable ice can change everything, yet bad machines waste space and time. Welcome back to my channel. Today I reveal the top 7 best Undercounter Nugget Ice Makers, saving money and hassle. Stick around for honest picks, quick pros, and easy buying. Grab trusted links in the description below today now. At number 7 is Vibofrost Nugget. What if your ice could feel as good as it tastes? That's the promise Vibofrost Store's Nugget Ice Maker brings, and honestly, it delivers more than expected. Many buyers fear slow output, messy cleaning, or bulky machines when shopping this category. Vibofrost solves that stress fast. First impression: soft, chewable ice in minutes. Relief? Drinks stay cold without dilution, exactly what people chase when comparing top Undercounter Nugget options. Real-world use: high daily output, smart auto cleaning, and a compact body that fits apartments better than some larger competitors on this list. We don't suggest gear lightly. This one held up in everyday testing. Pros: fast production, low maintenance, solid build. Cons: not true built-in undercounter like premium models, but far cheaper. Compared to pricier picks, this feels like a smart, safe choice. If you want nugget ice without regret, this one earns confidence. Not ideal for commercial use, but perfect for homes craving peace of mind. On number 6 is Ecozy Bulit-in Freestanding. What if your kitchen could produce cafe-quality ice non-stop, without bags, noise, or regret? That's where the Ecozy built-in and freestanding Nugget Ice Maker steps in, and yes, it earns attention fast. Many shoppers fear weak output or melting ice when choosing an undercounter style machine. Ecozy answers that pain with power and stability. Performance first: strong daily production and thick insulation mean ice stays frozen for hours. Relief hits when guests keep pouring and the bin stays full. Compared to smaller units on this list, Ecozy feels more serious, closer to pro grade. Design and control, smart display, reversible door, and clear ice view add confidence and safety. We recommend tools that prove themselves in daily use, and this one passed that test. Pros: high capacity, real built-in flexibility, long ice hold. Cons: larger footprint, higher price. If you entertain often or want peace of mind, Ecozy makes sense. Casual users may prefer compact options, but this is a smart, long-term choice. At number 5 is Electactic LCD Panel / Self-Clean. What if running out of ice was never part of the plan again? That's the bold promise behind the Electactic LCD Panel Nugget Ice Maker, and it surprises fast. Most buyers worry about slow cycles, constant refills, or complicated controls when exploring undercounter style machines. This one removes that anxiety. Speed and supply: ice in under 10 minutes and a steady daily output feels like instant relief. Compared to smaller models on this list, Electactic plays in a heavier league. Curious how long it really lasts? Smart control: the LCD panel, auto water feed, and self-clean mode add peace of mind. We only stand behind machines that prove reliable in everyday use, and this one felt solid during real testing. Pros: fast production, long ice retention, flexible install. Cons: more machine than casual users need. If you host often or want dependable ice without babysitting, this is a confident pick. Minimal users may downsize, but for serious comfort, this one earns trust. At number 4 is EUHOMY Auto Cleaning. What if perfect chewable ice showed up before your drink even settles? That's the surprise EUHOMY's Auto Cleaning Nugget Ice Maker delivers, and it earns its spot among serious undercounter style contenders. Many buyers fear noisy motors, stale ice, or endless cleaning. This unit removes that stress fast. Everyday performance: ice in minutes, soft pellets that feel gentle and satisfying. Relief kicks in when you realize it keeps up without drama. Compared to larger built-in machines on this list, EUHOMY trades raw capacity for speed and convenience. Curious which matters more to you? Smart care, automatic alerts and a simple self-clean cycle create peace of mind. We only stand behind machines that prove themselves in daily use, and this one felt comfortable and reliable. Pros: fast cycles, quiet operation, Portable design. Cons: smaller bin than full undercounter units. If you want stress-free Nugget Ice at home or on the go, this is a smart choice. Heavy entertainers may size up, but for everyday comfort, EUHOMY delivers confidence. On number 3 is Typhur Fast Nugget. What if your Nugget Ice showed up faster than your guests? That's the bold moment Typhur's Fast Nugget Ice Maker creates, and it instantly grabs attention. Many buyers worry about slow output, constant refills, or cleaning headaches when comparing undercounter style options. Typhur clears that stress quickly. Speed and texture: soft, crunchy ice arrives fast and tastes clean. Relief hits when drinks chill without dilution. Compared to bulkier machines on this list, Typhur feels lighter, quicker, and more lifestyle friendly. Curious which style fits you best? Maintenance made easy, one-touch deep cleaning and included descaler build confidence. We only point viewers toward machines that earn trust in everyday use, and this one felt smooth and dependable during real testing. Pros: rapid production, quiet operation, sleek stainless design. Cons: smaller bin than true built-ins. If you want premium chewable ice without overcommitting space or budget, Typhur is a smart, calming choice. Heavy commercial users may look bigger, but for home comfort, this one delivers peace of mind. At number 2 is Ecozy Smart Pebble. What if your ice maker was smarter than your phone? That's the surprise Ecozy's Smart Pebble ice machine brings, and it instantly stands out among undercounter style contenders. Buyers often worry about melting ice, messy refills, or outdated controls. This one flips that fear into calm confidence. Smart experience: a vivid display, app control, even voice commands. Suddenly ice feels effortless. Relief comes when you check levels at a glance. Compared to more traditional machines on this list, Ecozy feels futuristic. Curious if tech really matters here? Daily performance, steady output, better insulation, and cleaner ice you can trust. We only guide viewers toward products that prove themselves in real kitchens, and this one felt reassuring in hands-on use. Pros: smart control, clean design, generous daily output. Cons: tech-forward features raise the price slightly. If you love convenience and control, Ecozy is a smart buy. If you want simple knobs only, look elsewhere, but for peace of mind, this one delivers. Now moving to the last one is Kismile Portable Ice Machine. What if your favorite chewable ice followed you anywhere? That's the quiet magic of the Kismile Portable Ice Machine, and it earns attention fast. Many shoppers fear noisy units, slow cycles, or constant cleaning when comparing undercounter style options. Kismile removes that anxiety with speed and simplicity. Quick comfort: ice shows up in minutes, soft and crunchy, without dulling your drink. Relief hits when you realize store-bought bags are done for. Compared to larger machines on this list, Kismile trades built-in power for flexibility. Curious which lifestyle fits you better? Ease of use, one-touch self-cleaning and whisper quiet operation bring peace of mind. We only guide viewers toward products that feel dependable in everyday use, and this one passed that test. Pros: fast output, compact design, very quiet. Cons: not designed for heavy entertaining. If you want stress-free Nugget Ice for home, office, or travel, Kismile is a smart, calming choice. Bigger households may go larger, but for personal comfort, this one delivers confidence. After testing all contenders, Ecozy's built-in and freestanding Nugget Ice Maker stands out as the winner for most people. It delivers high daily output, flexible installation, and excellent ice retention, solving the biggest problems buyers face: running out of ice, inconsistent texture, and messy maintenance. Unlike smaller countertop units, it fits both kitchens and party setups with confidence. If you want reliable chewable ice, long-term performance, and peace of mind without compromise, this is the smart choice. So guys, this was the video about the top 7 best Nugget Ice Maker Undercounter 2026. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.